Welcome, loyal subjects, to an ultra-rare Queen de Car vlog. I am here at the opening day for Steel Curtain. They finally opened the queue, but no trains are testing yet. It's a bit after 11, and come wait in line with me. A cheer has gone up over the crowd as the first test car ascends the lift hill. It'll be fun to watch this thing run its track and see what it looks like in real life after watching so much footage of its construction. Though the thing about shooting blanks is it will not get up to its full speed until there are people in this car. Let's watch it do the first drop. A lot of people have said that it's reminiscent of Drakenfire's first drop. Some people have said it looks like a B&M wing overdrop like they have on their flying coasters. But to me, it just sort of looks like the twist drop off the Phantom. It's about to do the 0G roll here on the bridge. First one of those that's not on a B&M. And a lot of people have said that the shape of the bridge itself looks like the Fort Pitt Bridge. I can kind of see it. Mostly what I'm looking at though is there is no net under this, so yeah, they're going to be TSA checking us for loose articles. There has also been a lot of talk about how the support structure looks. You know, people say that it just looks like scaffolding, but it is built to withstand a Pennsylvania winter, so I get it. And also, this thing will not rattle, I am betting you. There have been some questions about the reliability of the ride, given that it's made by SNS and their recent track record is not fantastic. But, you know, I'm not going to argue with the results right now, that's for sure. They have painted rust onto this brand new support for their brand new sign, just to really give it that Pittsburgh aesthetic. And they keep playing line dance songs in the queue. No one's dancing right now. We're trying to stand in the shade of the support pole. It's not crazy hot today, but everyone's out in their black and gold, so that doesn't help. I dressed for the occasion in my own way. DJ's spinning. We got the diagram of the roller coaster that was announced, and now we are officially in the actual line. We finished the line to get to the line. Woo! The ride was supposed to open 12 minutes ago, and apparently they have people loaded into the seats, ready to go, but I'm not seeing any movement. All right, here we go. The first train ever on Steel Curtain making its ascent. This is some serious coaster cred for everyone on board. And they do have nets to protect us down here in the bullpen from loose articles. The chain lift is going much faster than I thought. This is not your dad's Phantom. Let's just watch that drop go. The first ever screams by Steel Curtain. Man, this thing just absolutely dwarfs Racer. I mean, Racer's a quality ride, it's a classic. Absolutely still gonna ride it after this, for sure. But right now, I'm cupping my hands for the funky cha-cha. No applause for the second train. See, I am fascinated by this lift hill. You see, it starts out phantom speed, and then something catches and it goes. And then it makes it to the top way faster than you expect. And I want to know how that's engineered.
To the steel curtain fans, I'm Bill Grove along with Toots Hilton. It's a beautiful day for thrills, and this coaster is guaranteed to deliver.
Right you are, Billy, and it's a good idea to secure those hats, glasses, cell phones, and keys. Any loose items that may fly offside during the ride.
Leave them with a non-rider or put them in the bin on the exit side of the platform.
Good idea, Billy. Leave it in the locker room or with a teammate.
Either way, let's keep it off the field.
At least they only have this announcement set to go off every 5 minutes, which is about how often the trains are running at the moment. Brand new trash cans, disconcertingly clean. In case you guys want to see exactly how close this is to Racer, there it is making its turnaround. And here it is, steel curtain. The 19 car is behind here. We're not entirely sure why it isn't on the track, but the 33 car is the only one running. 1933, of course, the year that the Steelers franchise was founded. And this whole ride, in fact, steel curtain, named after the legendary defensive line from the Steelers in the 70s. An absolutely iconic time in Steelers history. If you know anything about sports history, I don't have to tell you this. You know, they probably put this tarp up to stop people constantly asking, why isn't the car running? But whatever the reason, I'm thankful for the shade. One person already passed out from heat exhaustion, and I'm with the guy who said that's what happens when you charge $4 a bottle of water.
It was up and this one is underway. Here we go. Whistle and another huge win for the steel curtain.
Man, that was a big hit, Billy.
That's right, Toots. It's time to push up the old lap bar, unbuckle your seatbelt, and exit to the right and down the steps.
And if you're in the next group to take the field, wait for those gates to open. Take your position, buckle up, and pull that safety bar down tight against your body.
One of our officials will be along shortly for a safety check.
And speaking of safety, Billy, let's keep those hands, arms, and legs inside the car throughout the ride.
They are adding the second train. Just as I'm in line for the back row, I've got a front row seat to this. All the coasters I've ridden, and this is one thing I've never seen. You can see that the lap bars also have shin restraints. Not sure if that's more, but at least it's not an over the shoulder. I have waited a long time for this. Ever since the announcement of Project 412, ever since they said they wanted it ready for Memorial Day, they wanted it ready for 4th of July. It's been a 4-hour wait, which is not crazy for a premiere. I am on the 21st car to ever let people on. This is the first ride of car number 19 that's heading out right now. And I'll see you on the other side.
We'll be along shortly
Here we go.
for a safety check.
And speaking of safety, Billy,
Alright, gift shop review. That was awesome. The airtime it looks like it's supposed to have, it has more. The drops aren't hugely intense, but man, do the inversions make up for it. That zero-G roll really does what it says on the box. The pictures aren't working yet, but I wish they were because it would have gotten a picture of the guy beside me yelling "woo" the whole time. This has been my first premiere. It was a great time, and the line's over. Some potato patch fries are calling my name. I'm out. The line is so much longer now than it was when I got in it, which is what some guy was trying to tell his friends who left. Man, the ride didn't open for an hour and a half after I got in line, but I saved over an hour and a half of wait time, definitely. But either way, thanks for waiting with me. Bye! Thanks for watching.